This is the lesson from Chapter 2 for Business Analysis with Algebra. Chapter 2 starts with just the basics of solving an equation. In this particular course, we will only have one missing variable. So that's the first most basic part of an equation. Our goal is to find the x. And if all it is simple addition, we know that both sides of this equation are equal. So if we want to keep them equal, what we do to one side of the equation, we have to do to the other. So if we subtract 9 from both sides of the equation, we will be able to find out what x is. Obviously, they'll get a little more advanced than that. We'll have multiplication, so maybe it will be a problem like that. And again, the goal is to get the x by itself, but now since this is saying that the x is multiplied by 3, we want to reverse that. So to reverse it, we're going to divide both sides by 3. And then we'll solve for x if it was that way. We then move into equations that have parentheses. And then we can solve for those. If we have the parentheses, we must get rid of those. So we're going to multiply 3 by everything within the parentheses. So 3 times x gives us 3x. 3 times 6 gives us 18, and that is still set equal to our 36. Then we're left with our basic equation that we want to try to solve for. So again, we're trying to get that x by itself. What we do to one side of the equation, we have to do to the other. So our first step is to get rid of the 18. And then now our next step is to get rid of the 3. So then we will get down to what our x is.